In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful, hope you all will be good. This is your literature class, and today we are going to start a new chapter. It's about the kind dolphins. Okay, do you know that? Did you hear about dolphins? The dolphins are our friend. And now first you have to take out this book. This is your literature book, and today we are going to start this chapter number 16. Okay, now open page number 97. This is page number 97, chapter number 16, the kind dolphins. Okay, now look at here, the kind dolphins. Okay, students, first you will write here today's date and classwork, then you will start reading. So let's start the reading, that what is going on in this chapter. Long ago, on a broad river far in the north, there lived a fisherman. This story is about fisherman, and then means what will he do? Every day he went fishing in his boat. He has a boat, and we are talking about a fisherman. He did not leave his house because his house was his boat. Means the fisherman lives in his boat. Okay? The boat had a flat bottom. He sailed it up and down the river. Although the river was broad, it was not deep. Now look at here carefully, that in this story we are reading about a fisherman. This story is about fisherman, that what he will do in this story. He lives in his boat. He doesn't have any house, and he lives with his wife. So how he will meet with dolphins? This chapter's name is kind dolphins. So when dolphins will come, let's see that what will be happen. And we are talking about the river. That river was broad. It was not deep. The fisherman was poor. Fisherman was poor. He was not rich. Okay, but he was very kind. He shared everything with his family and friends. Sometimes he even shared what he had with the dolphins of the river. Now here are the dolphins, because the chapter name is kind dolphins, and now the dolphins are here. Where are the dolphins? Dolphins are in the river, and the fishermen will meet with dolphins. Now the dolphins of this river were not like other dolphins in the world. These dolphins were blind. Oh, did you listen about these type of dolphins? No. These dolphins were blind, means we are talking about these dolphins. They live in this river where fishermen catch the fishes. But they did not mind. They did not need eyes, because the water in the river. Now come to next page. Look at here. Here is one picture. You can see that he is a fisherman. He is a boat of okay, and he lives in this boat. Now you can see also here there are the dolphins. 2 dolphins are here. And what is he doing? So let's start. The river was brown and muddy. They could not have seen anything. We are talking about dolphins. They could not have seen anything, even if they had wanted to. Why? They don't see, because they both are blind. One day, the fisherman caught many fish in his net. There were some carp and lots of tiny shrimp. Carp means a type of fish, and shrimp, you can say that it looks like a prawn. Okay, a small sea animal with 10 legs. The fisherman knew that these were the dolphins' favorite foods. the fisherman caught the many fishes, so he thought that these are dolphin's favorite food. Okay, here that's why he thought that I will give it to dolphins. He looked at his catch and he said to his wife, "There is plenty of food here for us. Let's share it with the dolphins." The fisherman is talking to his wife that we have a plenty food, so we will also share with these dolphins. The fisherman throws some fish back into the river. Now you can see here that he is fisherman and he is throwing fishes to the dolphins. The dolphins were happy. Why they were happy? Because now they are eating fishes. That's why they were happy. They had a tasty meal. Means after a long time they were eating like that. That's why they are happy. Some days later there was a storm. There was lightning and thunder. The sky became black. Did you see when the black cloud came, when rain will be start, then the cloud will be black. So it's also happened here. The sky became black. The river became black too. The water rose up and down, and there were great waves. You can see here that these called waves. Okay. The rain came down like a waterfall. What happened? Now the rain has been started. The fisherman's wife and children went inside the boat. This is fisherman's house. He doesn't have any house. He lives in boat with his family. So where were his family? His family, the fisherman's wife and children went inside the boat. But the fisherman stayed on deck. He had to make sure his boat was safe. That's why he was standing outside. Suddenly, there was a huge wave and the boat nearly toppled over. Topple means to tip over. The poor fisherman slipped and fell into the river. Oh, what happened? He was standing outside. That's why it happened that he slipped and fell into the river. The fisherman's wife came to find her husband, but he was nowhere to be seen. She started to cry. Oh dear, cried the wife. My husband has drowned. Now what will be happen? Look at here. You can see that now the fisherman is not in the boat. The fisherman's wife looked out over the choppy water. She could not see him anywhere. She was searching to fisherman, but she could not find him. So she went inside to be with her children, and she missed seeing the strangest sight. She was just searching to her husband that where is he? She was crying continuously that where is he? She doesn't know. Then what happened? Two dolphins were swimming towards the boat. One had the fisherman on its back. Look at here. There are two dolphins. And where is fisherman? Fisherman is on dolphin's back. One had the fisherman on its back. The other was at his side. There is second dolphin. The fisherman's wife heard a loud thud, and she came out to see. And there on the deck lay her husband, all cold and wet but safe. Where were you? Asked the wife. She was worried. That's why she asked in this way. I don't know, replied the fisherman. I slipped and hit my head on the boat. I toppled into the river. The fisherman was telling about himself that he was standing outside and suddenly he slipped in water and he doesn't know that how he came out. But how did you get back into the boat? Asked the wife. Asked the kind dolphins, he said and smiled. Dolphins are here means dolphins help to fishermen. We heard that dolphins are our friend. Now the dolphins are our friend, but now they prove it. Okay. Now what will you do, students? You will read this story again. Then you can improve your reading. Now I am telling you some words meaning. So again, first we will read these words meaning. Dolphin, a large sea mammal that looks like a fish. It's also a fish, but it will be included mammal. Okay. Carp, a type of fish. Shrimp, a small sea animal with 10 legs. I have told you that it's look like a prawn. Favorite, liked the best, much loved. Lightning, flashes of light seen during a storm. Thunder, a loud rumbling sound heard during a storm. Topple, to tip over. Drown, to die by being underwater too long and unable to breathe. And now I am telling you some copy work. That how will you do your copy work? First, you have to make a title page, chapter number 16, The Kind Dolphins. One more thing, you will make this title page just with pencil. Don't use any pen or marker in your copy. And after that, on next page, you have to complete words meaning. First, you will mention date, class word, chapter number, and as well as you will write day. After that, you will write words meaning. Do your work neat and clean and write online. Mostly students are doing very good work, but you have to do more neat and clean work. And then you have to do words meaning here. Here are only 4 words meaning. So you have to complete it. First, carp. Second, topple. Third, shrimp. And fourth one is favorite. So you have to write these words meaning. After that, you have to complete question answer. Okay. On first line must mention question answer. Here you will write question number 1. After writing one question, must skip one line and then you will start next question. Question number 1, 2, question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. Here is also one exercise and this is words opposite. So you have to write words opposite and these all are interesting words. So you have to do it carefully. Okay. Okay, now I am reading it. You will also read with teacher words opposite. First, unkind, kind. Rich means lots of money he has, so it will opposite word is poor. Enemies, friend. Soft, loud. Somewhere, nowhere. Narrow, broad. Whenever you are working, so must read spelling. You can learn easily. Must read the spell that what are you writing. Now here I am just telling you that what is the question number 1. Where did the fisherman live? You know that where he lived. He lived on a broad river far in the north. And how were the river dolphins different from other dolphins of the world? Because they were blind. Yes, we read in this chapter that these dolphins are blind. Now the third question, what do dolphins like the most. Dolphins like carp and shrimps. Okay, this is a tasty food for dolphins. Now, what happened to the fisherman during the storm? He slipped and fell into the river. Suddenly it happened that he was standing outside. He didn't go in the boat. So that's why he slipped and fell into the river. What did the fisherman tell his wife to ask the dolphins? He said, "Ask the kind dolphins that how did I get back to the boat?" Because fisherman also doesn't know that how he can. And now you have to do the words opposite. Okay student, I hope that you all enjoyed this story. We read about the dolphins. We know that dolphins are our friend, and in this chapter we read it also that dolphins prove it, that how dolphins help to the fishermen. And why they helped. One time it happened that fishermen gave the tasty food to dolphins also. Now student, you will read this chapter again and again, and copy work you have to do from homework folder. Hope you all understood this chapter. So take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.